Good morning, Sarah. I noticed we have a patient in Ward 3 receiving treatment for encephalitis, and I wanted to discuss the medication regimen with you.
Morning. Absolutely, let's go over it. What's the current medication plan for the patient?
The patient is currently on a sequelae for antiviral therapy, dexamethasone to manage inflammation, and phenytoin for seizure control. The attending physician initiated the treatment yesterday.
Got it. It's a comprehensive approach, considering the antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antiepileptic aspects. Have there been any complications or concerns noted so far?
The patient seems to be tolerating the medications well. No immediate adverse reactions reported. However, I did notice the patient is also on some somtidine. Is that standard for encephalitis treatment?
Somtidine? That's interesting. It's not typically part of the standard regimen for encephalitis. I wonder if it's being used for a specific reason. Let me check the patient's records and discuss it with the medical team.
Sure, take your time. I thought it might be worth confirming to ensure there are no unintended interactions or duplications.
Absolutely. We always need to ensure that the medications align with the treatment goals and don't introduce unnecessary risks. I'll get back to you after checking the details. After a brief review of the patient's records, I found that somtidine was initiated to manage gastric acid hypersecretion, likely due to stress and the use of corticosteroids. It's not directly related to encephalitis treatment, but addresses a specific concern.
Ah, that makes sense. Thanks for clarifying. As long as it's addressing a specific issue and doesn't interfere with the primary treatment, it sounds reasonable.
Agreed. It's crucial to address the patient's overall well-being and manage any side effects or complications that may arise during treatment. If you notice anything unusual or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out.
Absolutely, Sarah. Thanks for your thorough review and collaboration. It's great working together to ensure the best care for our patients.
Likewise, teamwork makes a significant difference in patient outcomes. If anything else comes up, feel free to contact me.